want you to imagine lighting a $50 bill on fire. That's what you're doing every single day you run ads to your landing page without an optimized system. I'm not here to sell you a course, I'm not here to hype you up, and I'm not here to show you fake dashboard screenshots. I'm here to show you exactly how to get more conversions and higher quality customer data with the same money that you would be spending on ads anyways. The goal of any successful business is to raise the CAC to LTV ratio. That's the cost to acquire a customer versus their lifetime value. Once you've acquired a customer from your ads, the more money that you can get out of them by selling them more and more things, the more money your business will make. This is exactly where most e-commerce entrepreneurs fail, because they think that when they spend money on ads, they get the customer to their landing page and then they're just gone forever. You sell them your product one time and then you'll never see them again. But what if you could get them to buy more than once from your website? Stay with me for the next 13 minutes and this might just be the most valuable video that you watch in 2026. So here's the situation most e-commerce entrepreneurs are in right now. You're running ads, let's say TikTok, Meta, whatever, and you're spending real money, you know, $50 to $100 per day. And you're getting sales, right? But when you look at your profit margins, you might be hitting your target KPIs, but your profits are just in the dirt. What's actually happening is that you're paying for customers. Let's say it's around $1 to $2 per click. And when someone clicks on your ad, they look around your website, decide not to buy, and then just go back to browsing social media. That's $1 or $2 evaporated. Now, the part that sucks is that if you have a 3% conversion rate, that means 97% of the people who visit your website are not going to buy. And that's like the industry average for conversion rate, which means that the majority of your ad spend is literally just going down the drain. But the part that nobody tells you is that 97% of the people leaving your store is not actually the problem. The problem is what you do after they leave, which for most businesses is absolutely nothing. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to fix today. What I'm going to show you today is a 3-part system. Part 1 is optimizing for free traffic. That can be through TikToks, Reels, or just organic posts. When you're running ads, you might as well post a couple organic videos just to get some extra traffic without spending an extra dollar. Part 2 is to capture those visitors. Whoever goes on your store, even if they don't buy, if you get some sort of information out of them, you can retarget them and potentially get them to buy something from you in the future. Meta's not just showing your ads to random people. They're sending your ads to the people who are the most likely to buy your product. So if they click on your website, it's because they're somewhat interested, which means there's a chance that you could get them to buy from you in the future, even if they don't buy right now. The goal is just to get someone's email address. Once you have their email, you own that customer forever, and you can send them email after email, and eventually they might buy something from you. So part 3 of the system is to integrate email automation to turn that list of emails you captured into a recurring revenue machine. For the email automation, we're going to be using Omnisend. This is an email and SMS marketing platform. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with it. You can set up automations super easily. You don't have to know how to code. You can have different flows for different things. They integrate with Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, like literally every single website. It's totally affordable. You can start for just $11 per month, and it helps you with all the process of setting up an email list and actually making it work for you. I'm going to leave a link to Omnisend in the description below. You can get 30% off your first 3 months, and you can even get started for free without a credit card. So make sure to go check that out if you're interested. If you don't already know me, my name is Grant and I really do e-commerce. Like, I'm really in the trenches doing this shit. Here's my store. I've done $18,000 in the past 18 days. So we're averaging like 1K a day. I'm going to hit refresh so you know everything's legit. Watch these lines move. As you can see, all the lines move and all the numbers stay the same. 333 orders with a 0% chargeback rate. So not a no shipper, guys. So I'm actually running it up right now. I'm not just spewing garbage at you. And with that being said, let's get right into it. Before we get into it, I want to thank you guys so much for the recent support on the channel. I really appreciate all of you. If you haven't already, go down below. I just released my dropshipping course that I used to charge $1,000 for completely free. All I need is your email address. So make sure to go down below and check that out. So this is the strategy that most stores are missing. And here's how we're going to maximize your ad spend by 3 to 5x. We're going to be using organic content and email marketing to multiply your ad spend. The problem is that at least 70% of your visitors are leaving without buying. And that's if you have a 30% conversion rate, which would be insane. The average conversion rate is usually between like 2 to 5%. So in reality, 95% of people who go on your website are going to leave. You paid money for their click, and if you don't convert them right here and right now, they're probably going to be gone forever. Like I said, the 3-part system is to optimize organic content for free traffic and just to increase trust of your brand. Like if you were scrolling on Instagram and you saw a brand and you like saw an ad for them and then you clicked on their page and they had 0 posts, would you buy from that brand? Probably not. You would have to really, really want that product in order to buy it. But like, you'd probably just not trust it anyway and then go look it up on Amazon. So organic content just increases your conversion rate in general. It gets you free traffic and it builds trust between the customer and your brand. Next is the email capture. You need to have a pop-up that's actually like intriguing. Just not just like sign up for emails for exclusive offers and discounts. They've seen that 1,000 times. You need to have something like enter our $500 giveaway, enter for a chance to win, or like get 20% off, 10% off, something like that. And then I'm going to teach you exactly how to integrate Omnisend to get automated email flows so that once you have their email, you can send them email again and again and again, just to get that customer back onto your website and potentially sell them something. So part one is organic content. This is going to be your free traffic engine. You could start out by posting educational content and teaching your audience something useful. This could be like making an AI informational video about your product, using some other video clips and clipping it up and then talking about your product with an AI voiceover, something like that. You could do behind the scenes. What I did was I made like a bunch of behind the scenes videos of my brand. I sell these creatine gummies right here. So what I did is I literally ordered a bunch of boxes from USPS. If you go on a USPS website, you can like order a bunch of free boxes, like infinite free boxes. And like they'll show up to your door and the mailman will be all upset. But like I literally had like probably 50 plus cardboard boxes at my front door filled with these like mailers. So what I did was I just stacked up all the boxes in my bonus room and then literally just started filming videos in there. Like, hey, here's my product. I'm the founder of this brand, blah, 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 blah. And like, I just had all these boxes. So they're like, oh, it probably looks like a warehouse or something. Like I had so many boxes. I made that the entire background of the video. Even if you don't have a warehouse, you can fake a warehouse. You can spoof it. People buy from founder stories and brands that they relate to. Next, we can have customer testimonials. This is kind of like if you're a little bit down the line. I know that you can probably make these with AI nowadays. Like if you got Higgsfield skills, then go ahead and do that. But otherwise, you can just take them from other brands or just use some other sort of customer video for some other product that kind of makes sense. Like it just has to be generalized. As long as someone's like, oh, wow, this is great. And then you just like put your product in there somehow, then that could definitely work. And then product demos. So like clothing products, like a try on haul, clothing haul, and then like, include one of your products in there. You can hire UGC creators. And like, if you don't want to make these videos yourself, you can always hire a creator. What do you pay them? $1,000 a month for 30 videos a month and they'll post them on your page. That's perfect. That's all you need. I would honestly just looking up like UGC creator, and you don't always want like UGC ad videos. You hire someone that's like not that good. So they're not going to ask for that much money. You know what I mean? Paid traffic, it's like you're paying per view. So if you have a $5 CPM, $10 CPM, you pay it like 1,000 views for $10. Like if you post the video on Instagram Reels and it doesn't get 1,000 views, it's probably because it was a terrible video. So like as long as you have decent content going out, it's going to get views, which is basically free traffic, except that that's not as high quality traffic. Like Meta is not going to target buyers for you. You know what I mean? They're just going to show it to like anyone who is interested in your product. So it is what it is, but it's free traffic and it definitely builds trust with your brand. Next is an email capture page. You're going to want to have something just like this on your website, like get 15% off your first order, join 12,000 happy customers, unsubscribe at any time, claim my discount, like something like that, or enter our $500 gift card giveaway. Like, when do you think they're going to give the gift card away? Probably on December 31st of 2029. Yeah, so we're having a giveaway. You better join. It's going to keep going forever. Like, not forever. Like, you have to do the giveaway eventually, but like, oh yeah, it's in 2030. It's just in the fine print. You can do a $1,000 gift card giveaway. Who cares? It doesn't matter. You need to make yourself look like a big brand. If you're selling from a garbage ass dropshipping store, and if people obviously can see that it's dropshipping, then you better check. People are going to be like, what is this website? You should have a website that makes people believe that you could be giving away a $500 gift card. I've seen this one brand where they were running like a buy two, get one free site wide. They had like a collection of clothing products and their offer was buy two, get one free. And it said it on the top banner and it said it on the main image. And then they had this email thing pop up and it was like a little scratch off and they scratched off the thing and it said, oh, you unlocked a discount, buy two, get one free. Like whatever it takes to get their email. And I put in my email just to see like what their email flow looks like. And I love doing that because then I can see like, oh, they sent me an email after 15 minutes and then they sent me one after 30 minutes and then they sent me one after 3 hours and 4 hours and then 24 hours. And like, so it's just interesting to see what other brands do. Some things that are valuable about emails is that once you get their email, you own that customer. Like you own their email, they opted in and you can send them emails for the rest of their life. Next, you can offer something valuable like a discount code, free shipping, or some other kind of offer like we already kind of discussed. You can contact them again and again, pretty much just like going over and over, basically just emailing them all the time. don't email them too much because then you'll get a bunch of unsubscribes. You might start landing in their spam. I have a friend who like posted some organic videos and it was for his personal brand, but basically he just did like free guide, DM me blank for a free guide. And then he got all these people to DM him and now he has a 20,000 person email list. Like think about how valuable that is. Like imagine if you could just put out a post and send it to 20,000 followers. That's basically the same thing as your email list. Finally, we get to the actual part that's going to multiply your business, which is Omnisend. So you're going to have a welcome series, which is when like they first subscribe to your email list. It's going to be like an automatic flow. It's going to say whatever, you're probably going to email them a couple times and hopefully get them to do the first purchase. Then we can have like when they were looking around your store and they added their email into your pop-up, you could send them a different flow. So it's like still thinking about this, and this triggers 1 to 4 hours after browsing. Then the cart abandonment, which is when they add the item to cart and they didn't buy it. And since they were in your cart, you already know their name, their email, potentially their address. But yeah, this would be a different sequence where you would try to recover those people. Like, hey, you left this item in your cart. I'm sure you've seen an email like that before. Then we have a post-purchase email, which is once they buy something from you, now you continue to sell them emails, discounts, loyalty, cross-sell, rewards, stuff like that. Turns one-time buyers into repeat customers at zero extra cost. Then we have SMS integration, which is a little bit more advanced, but there's Shopify apps out there for this. You can reach customers on their phone. SMS is like way more powerful than emails because people actually see it. Like no one reads their email anymore, but everyone looks at their text. And then segmentation. That's basically when you send them all like a different flow for each of these specific things. Omnisend actually conducted a study and they found that the ROI is roughly $79 for every $1 spent on email and SMS marketing. If you have $1,000 in ad spend plus the email system, you could get up to $79,000 in email revenue. So here's the complete system just in case you missed anything. You basically pay for the traffic and you get organic content going together. You bring it down, you capture their email, then you make sure that everything's automated, like AI will handle all this. And then you basically just increase your revenue. Here's the math. If you have 500 visitors, normally your conversion rate would be 5%. With Omnisend, like after you send them the emails, it'll go up to 8%. Sales, you get 25 sales normally. With Omnisend, you could go up to 40. Average order value, $50, stays the same. Revenue increases from 1,200 to 2,000. So yeah, that's basically that.